Hello everyone, I'm aMayesing, how are you? Welcome to my Star Wars interactive map. I'm going to be telling you about the inspiration, the process of which it was made, and then show it off, as well as how you can download it for yourself for your own personal use. So first, we're going to start with the inspiration. So as you know, Star Wars made an official galaxy map. They posted this a little while ago. I don't exactly know how long it's been, but they have all of the different sectors, the different planets, the trade routes, the certain corporate sectors, hut space, bothon space, and everything like that. And then they also made a whole list of every planet that's been mentioned in video games, books, TV shows, etc., and gives you all their different locations. But this one, I think, is their actual canon map. And of course, shout out to the original artist. So, cartography and previous designs was by Jason Fry and Daniel Wallace, and then James Lucino, Hayden Blackman, and Vince Lee, and then the designer was Christopher Ibbett. So what I wanted to do is, since I didn't want to have to search every planet and figure out where they're located and everything like that, I wanted to make an interactive map. So I started with ChatGPT. And the problem is Chat, at least the version that I was using, was not the code one. So it was just telling me, hey, here's some code, put it in Visual Studio and figure out if that works. It didn't work. I tried like 5 different versions. It just wasn't what I wanted. And then I remembered Claude. So I worked with Claude and it went a lot better. So we started by saying that I wanted something like this, which is the Helldivers 2 interactive map, where you could click on the planet, see how it's doing, see its information and everything like that. And so we worked on it. I'm not going to show you every version because it's a lot of like changing, but the main importance was that we went from JSX to HTML, so that was easier to download, change, everything like that. And so now the final template looks something like this, and we'll explain everything here. So first of all, we have the Star Wars Galaxy Map Editor. It has long time ago, far, far away. You can upload your own map, whether you want to do the Star Wars Galaxy or a planet and put dots. Doesn't necessarily have to be a planet, but that's just what this has been set up for. There's also edit mode, which we'll get into. You can search a planet. So if you just wanted to see where Tatooine is, you can find it there. You can also sort it by region, if it's a deep core world, a core world, etc. Excuse me. You can also do it by factions. So we have the Republic, Empire, Rebel Alliance, Separatist, First Order, Independent, Hutts, and Mandalorians. We also have active events, such as like a Senate session, and you can add those as well. So we'll get into the edit mode. What I'll first do, though, is upload the galaxy map. So let me see. So if you upload from your file folder, which I will include the galaxy map itself, but let me see, didn't upload the map. Technical difficulties, why are you not uploading the image of the map? There we go. I don't know why I didn't want to upload, but anyways, so we have the background. Now if you go into edit mode, there's some things, there's one thing that will pop up, which is add new planet. But first I'll show you, yeah, we'll do it as a new planet. So if we add new planet, we can call it aMayesing Planet. I want it to be in the core world. You can also put it in any of the deep core, core colony, inner rim, expansion region, mid rim, outer rim, and unknown region. You can also change what it's a part of, so you can add any faction. So you can say full faction, which actually that shouldn't be typable. Interesting. You also have population. You can put the coordinate plane, its rotation period, its atmosphere, climate, terrain, and then you can change the size of the overall planet size. You can also upload an image. So if I got the planet of Enzoth, we'll go add planet, So here we go. So there's that. And then you have it here. You can also lock it so that if you click on it, you don't move it by accident or do any sort of issues there. You can also add your own event. So if you do fun party and add event, you get the little lightning bolt. So that shows what type of, that there's events happening currently. Let's see, I believe that's pretty much everything. You can also make it a trade hub, but I don't think I have anywhere where that shows. But let me make sure that if I say something like Galactic Republic, it actually saves into one of the factions. Yes. So as long as you name it one of these, you will have it pop up in your filter. That's the word for it. But I will have a link to GitHub in the description down below, where you can download the original galaxy map and then this version, and then at some point I'll load what I'm currently working on, if it will load for me. For some reason, if you hit the load button, you still have to do the galaxy map. But what I'm going to be doing is working on all of the planets. I'm going to be using Wikipedia to get any information that I can. If I can't find information, I'll Google it. If I can't find anything there, I'll just leave the planet blank and not have it as a informational thing like this. I'll just put the planet name, and then I'll upload that as the final edit into the GitHub. But that's going to take me quite a while because there's a lot of planets. So I hope you've enjoyed the breakdown. I hope you enjoy using this for your own personal benefits. And I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.